Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Right. Today I will explain how to write a sample program and how to execute, how to compile. Right. I already told you there are so many softwares are available to practice Java, but for learners it is better to use Notepad. Why? Because in Notepad you have to write everything. While writing everything, you know what is the use of that one. But if you use some built-in tools, it will produce some predefined code. Then you should not know what is the use of that predefined code. If you produce code, then what you can learn. So better to write a program using Notepad. It's my suggestion. Notepad. Here I'm going to write a program. Whatever you want to write, that should be keep in class. Class always begins with which keyword? Class keyword. Class. Followed by class name I have to write. My class name is anyone you can take. I am taking my class name as God. Here I want to write a main method. How to write a main method in Java? Tell me. Public, static, void, main, string arguments. This is the way of writing main method. Inside the main method, you have to write some code. Now I am going to print the God name. How to print the data? For that you have to use system dot out dot println you have to use. Now I am going to print a God name Vinayaka. Vinayaka. Right. Now I have to save this file. Here you need to remember two things. First thing is you can save the file with the public class name. With the public class name. Is there any public class here? Okay, just now one person reached. I will explain this again. See here. I am going to write a first program. Whatever you have to define that should be inside the class. So class. Class name is God. I am going to explain about God. So God. In every program there should be a main method. How to write a main method? Public, static, void, main. String args, array symbol. Inside the curly brackets you have to write the code. Now I am going to print the God name Vinayaka. So system dot out dot println Vinayaka I mentioned. That's it. After writing the program, you have to save this file. While saving the file, you have to remember two things. One is that if there is any public class, then you have to save with public class name. Is there any public class? I used public here. No, there is no public class. Then what to do? We have to save the file with the main class name. Main class name means in which class main method is there? Main method is inside the class God. So you have to save it with the god.java. Right? You cannot save with your own. So you have to save main class name means where is the main method? In God class. So you have to save as god.java. God.java. Right. I saved. Now to run this program, to compile this program, we have to use command prompt, means CMD. We have to type CMD. Then you can use command prompt. Where my program is? My program is saving at D drive Java folder. So I have to go to D drive. How to move to D drive? Simple. D colon is the command. D colon. After that, how to move the Java folder? CD. CD means change directory to Java. Now what to do? We have to compile the program. To compile the program, which tool I have to use? Java C tool. Here you need to mention the class, the file name. What is the file name? God.java. After that, you have to press enter. It will be compiled. If there is any error, it will be showed here. Now I will remove this semicolon. Then it will show an error. Remove this. Include this one. I got one error. In which file we are getting error? God.java means this file. Right. Where you got? In fifth line. Fifth line means first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is the fifth line. What is the error? Semicolon expected. Where at system.out.println end, at the end, see this arrow mark. Here you need to use semicolon. It is showing that. I put semicolon, save it, and compile again. Java C God.java. Compile? Yes, compiled. Now run the program Java God. Here you need to mention only class name. You should not mention the .java, right? Why? Because here you need to mention the bytecode. Bytecode means class God.class file. So Java God you have to mention. That's it. See, it print Vinayaka. Is it okay? In this way, your program should be like this. So write a program to print a message on screen. Right, this is the program. Now, what is the output? What is the output of this one? This is the output of this one. What is this? This one. Right. Now write out this. First of all, you have to compile, then you have to run. What is this Vinayaka? It is the output. It is the output. Now write out this. I will explain this program once again. See here, whatever you have to write, that should be keep inside the class. Class always begins with the keyword class. Every class must have a name. Now I named my class as God. Every program should have a main method, public static void main, string args. It is the way of writing main method in Java. To print the data, you have to use system.out.println method. Now I printed Vinayaka here. To compile this program, Java C space, the program name is God. So God.java. .java means it is Java program. Compilation successful. After that, I am running the program. Java, what is the file name? God. Now it print Vinayaka. In this way, you have to last one. This one is not the output. This is the output. That's it. Vinayaka. Up to that, you need to write. If completed, please tell me. After completion of writing, please tell me.
We're done, sir.
Good. Now the next one is how to pass command line arguments. It is there in C also. You have this concept in C language. What is the meaning of command line argument? Command line means CMD. CMD means this one. You have to pass arguments from here. The arguments those are passing from here, that will be go to the program and stored in array. After that, here we can use those arguments here. Now, what is the meaning of command line argument? It is a process of passing the arguments from command prompt to the main method. It is known as command line argument. Now, tell me what is command line argument? It is a process of passing arguments from where? From command prompt. It is also called as command prompt. Command prompt to main method. To main method. Already I explained you why I am using string here. Whatever the arguments you passed from here, those always in the form of string. So the command line arguments are always in the form of the command line arguments are always in the form of what? In the form of string. In the form of string. We can pass n number of arguments. We can pass multiple arguments also. Multiple arguments also. Multiple means we can pass more than one value to main method. Right. Here I will give an example. Write a program to pass state name, comma, state capital as command line arguments. Command line arguments. Print them on screen. Print them on screen. Read out this question. What we have to do? We have to pass state name as well as state capital as command line arguments. After that, what to do? We have to print them on screen. Right. Now come here. Now I am going to pass the arguments of what? State. Now my class name is state. I am taking state. In every program there should be a main method. How to write it? Public static void main string arguments. Right. So you see, better to follow the indentation. Indentation means pushing the statements towards left to right. So it is inside the state class now. So write down at the front here. Here we need to pass state name as well as state capital from command prompt. Those are passing from here. Those are stored in array. Here we need to use them. What you are passing? You are passing two values. One is state name as well as capital. Right. Now I am fetching the data. State name equal to state name and capital both are in ARGS, means array. How to get the first element of array? ARGS of first element means 0th element. ARGS of 0. Here you got state name. Now I have to fetch capital. Capital equal to, how to get capital? It is in ARGS. ARGS of second element means 1. ARGS of 1. Now you got the data. Then what to do? You have to print them. Printf. Sorry. System.out.println. What we have to print here? We have to print state name. So state name equal to plus symbol you have to use. This symbol plus. What is the variable name here? Variable name is S name. So S name. Plus is nothing but concatenation operator. Concatenation means joint operator. Now I have to print state capital also. How to print them? System dot out dot println. What you are going to print? State capital equal to plus symbol you have to use. Plus capital. Right. In this way, you have to write the program. Now save it. While saving the program, which name I have to use? Is there any public class? No. There is no public class. Then which name I have to use here? Main class name. What is the main class? Main method is having in which class? Class name state. So you have to save this file as state.java. You cannot give another name. You have to save it state.java. That's it. Now how to compile it? For compilation, you have to go to here. What is the compilation command? Command for compilation Java C. What is the file name? State.java. Compile it. Now compilation successful. Then what to do? We have to run Java state. I am pressing enter key. Now you will get error. Why? Because here it is carrying two arguments. You have to supply. If you did not supply, see array index out of bounds exception. Arguments length is 0. You did not pass any arguments. So we got error. Now compile this program again. Run this program. Sorry. Compile this again. Run this program. Here you need to pass the state name as well as capital name. State name is Telangana. Capital name is Hyderabad. So these two values passed to ARGS here. What are the two values? Telangana and Hyderabad. Telangana copied into state name. Hyderabad copied into capital. After copying, you are printing here. So you are receiving the command line arguments. You are printing here. So this is the way of executing. Now execute this program. See, in previous example I got error. Now I got result. State name equal to Telangana. State capital equal to Hyderabad. Got it? So these two variables copied from here to here. After that, here to these two variables. After that, you are printing these two variables. So in this way, you have to write this program. If you have any doubt, you have to ask right now. Okay? Don't waste your time. If you have any doubt while compiling, while running, or while writing, better to ask immediately. Don't delay the doubts. Write down. From here we are right. Harika, is this program okay to you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Swapna? Saubit?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Namrata?
Yes, sir.
Good. Chandrasekhar ji? What about you?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Good, good. Right. No doubt.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, wait for others to finish. Harika, can I go to next question?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Now tell me, I am going to explain you second program on same command line arguments. Now I am asking you, write a program to pass roll number as well as student name as command line arguments. Command line arguments. Print them on screen. One thing you have to remember, it is command line arguments. Good. What we have to pass? We have to pass roll number as well as student name. After that, what we have to do? We have to simply print them on screen. Now, I have to pass roll number and student name. Means which class I have to use? What is the class name here? It is about state or god or student? Student. Why? Because we have roll number and name, student name. This belongs to student. Now how to write a main method? Public static void main string args. Here what you are getting? You are getting roll number of a student, student name. Roll number means integer roll number. Student name means string, student name. Right. Now we are passing roll number and student name from here. Those will be copied into args array. Now we have to fetch them. Roll number equal to, how to get first element of array? args of 0. Now how to get student name? args of 1. Right. After that, what we have to do? We have to print them. How to print them? System dot out dot println. What we are going to print? Roll number you are going to print. So roll number equal to cap plus rno. Now you have to print student name. System dot out dot println student name equal to plus yes name. So I received two values here. To store the values, I created two variables. I store the values. I print the values. Now, with which name I have to save this file? With which name I have to save this file?
Student.
Good. Main method is inside the class student. So you should save student.java. Now I am saving student.java. Right. Now come here. Compile here. Java C student.java. One error. What is the error? I got one error. In which program? Program name is student.java. At which line? I got error in 7th line. What is the error? Incompatible types. String cannot be converted to integer. String cannot be converted to integer. It is the error message. Now what is the meaning of this one? See here. See roll number. What is the data type of roll number? Integer. args of 0. What is the data type of args? String. You are going to store a string inside the integer variable. That is the problem. Now what to do? You have to convert this one into integer. Then you have to store here. I already explained you. Whatever you are passing here, those are in the form of string only. Command line arguments are always in the form of string. Now we need to convert string to integer. Now for that we have to use, there is a class, integer class, integer wrapper class. No, it is wrapper class. Integer dot parseInt method we have to use. ParseInt of args of 0. So in this way we have to convert a string to integer. For that, which class I have to use? Integer dot parseInt. Integer is the wrapper class name. ParseInt is the method to convert a string from string to integer. So parseInt method convert a string to integer. Then we can store here, we can print here. Now execute this one. Now this program is okay. No error is there. Now how to execute this one? Java. What is the class name? Student. Here you have to pass two things. One is roll number. Roll number 501. Student name Anand. You have to pass like this. These two values passed from here to main method. After that, you store these two values in two variables. After that, you print it. See here, roll number equal to 501, student name equal to Anand. Got it? In this way, you have to compile and execute. Here, I typecasted the data from string to integer. To perform typecasting, we have to use this wrapper classes. So this is about how to convert a string to integer by using which class? Integer class. Which method? ParseInt method. You have to convert it. Output. Right. Now paste here. It is the Java program, right? It is the output. It is the way of compilation. It is the way of running. So here you pass a roll number as well as student name. These two copied into this array. After that, copied into these two variables. After that, these two variables gets printed, right? Now write up this. In this application, I typecasted a string to integer. You have to remember that. How to convert a string to integer? Integer dot parseInt method you have to use. After completion of this, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, the next program is write a program to pass item name, comma, quantity and rate as command line arguments. Print them on screen. Right. Now what we have to pass? I have to pass item name, item quantity, item rate as command line argument. So which class can I define here? Item class. Is it okay? Right. How to write main method? Tell me. Public, static, void, main. How to carry arguments? String, args, array symbol. What you are passing from command line? You are passing item name. After that, you are passing quantity. Quantity. After that, you are passing rates. 3 values, 3 data types. Item name is string, quantity is integer, rate is float. Now, how to catch them? First of all, how to get item name? Item name is in args array. How to get the first value of array? Args of 0 you have to write. Good. Is there any typecasting is needed here? Any typecasting is needed or not?
No.
Why? Why you are not need? Why? Because it is a string. It is also a string. Both are same data type. So we need to do. We need not to use typecasting. Right. Next one is quantity equal to. Actually, args of 1 I have tried. Args of 1. But what is the data type of args? String. What is the data type of quantity? Integer. We have to convert this string into integer. How to convert? Tell me. Which class I have to use? Integer class. Which method I have to use? ParseInt method. So in this way, we have to convert a string to integer. Now we have to read rate. It should be read like this: args of 2. But args of 2, which data type it is? It is related to string. It is related to float. We have to convert this string to float. For that, I have to use this one. Float dot parse float. Float dot parse float. It is the 3 ways to fetch the data. Now, what is the class name? Float. It is the wrapper class. Parse float. It is the method inside the wrapper class. After that, we have to print the data. How to print the data? System dot out dot println. What you have to print? You have to print item name equal to plus I name. After that, how to print next? You have to print rate. Item rate equal to plus rate. Before that, we have to print quantity. How to print quantity? System dot out dot println item quantity equal to plus quantity. Right. In this way, we have to write the program. Is this logic okay to you? I have to save this file with which name?
Item.
Which name? Good, item.java. Now tell me how to compile it. How to compile this program? Java C. What is the file name? Item.java. Compilation over. Right. Compiled successfully. Then you have to run Java. What is the file name? Item. Here you need to pass three things. One is item name. Item name is apple. Next one is item quantity, 12 pieces. Next one is item rate, 25 rupees 50 paisa. See this. Item name equal to apple. Item quantity equal to 12. Item rate equal to 25.5. In this way, you can pass three items like this. Now, what is the output of this one? Right, note on this. Can I scroll down?
Done.
Okay, good. This is about program. You write down this one also. Using this, you can understand how to compile the program, how to run the program. After completion of writing, please tell me. Harika, is it completed?
Sir, 2 minutes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I will wait. But I will wait, no problem. No doubt. Peacefully, no doubt.
Done, sir.
Okay, right. Good. The next question is, write a program to read a number. To read a number. Which type of number? Real number. Real number means double, comma, round it to nearest integer without using round function. Don't use round function, but you have to do the round number. We have to convert it to nearest integer without using round function. So you have to read, not read, you have to pass. You have to pass a real number as command line argument. Command line argument. Right. This is the program I have to write. Right. Now, what you are going to pass here? You are going to pass a real number. Now I am saving a class as real number and you are going to do the round operation. So I am going to take a class round. Now tell me how to write main method. Public static void main string args array symbol. Now what to do? Now we have to take a variable. Variable data type is double. Variable name is number. First of all, fetch the data. How to fetch the data? Number equal to, you need to convert into double data type. So double dot parse double you have to use. Int dot parse int, float dot parse float, double dot parse double. Of where is the data? In array args of 0. Now how to add it to nearest integer? Just you need to add 0.5 to that. That's it. It is the logic. Number equal to number plus 0.5. Then it converted to nearest integer. Now print the result. System dot out dot println. What you have to print? Number you have to print. Actually, what is the data type of number? Double. I asked the print the data in the form of integer. So I have to convert a double to integer by using typecasting int. Int of number means it convert a double into integer. Now see this program, compile. What is the program name? Round.java. How to compile it? How to compile this program? Java C round.java. Run this program. Java round. My number is 5.97898. 5.9857. What is the nearest integer of 5.98? 6. Your answer should be 6. See, your answer is 6. Got it? Right? So it is about the program. Is it clear? What is the logic to convert a number to nearest integer? Just you have to add 0.5 and convert to integer. That's it. Right? Write on this. Is this program clear to or not?
Sir,
Amma.
what will happen if we given 5.0001 as input, sir?
5.0001 means 5 you will get. Nearest integer of 5.0001 is 5. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Nearest integer, not round. Nearest integer.
Okay, sir.
There are two, round up or round down. Round up or floor. Floor means below that number. Round up means after that number. So I mentioned nearest integer means 5.98, then you will get 6. 5.01, then we will get 5 only.
Okay, sir.
Oh, correct. Note of this. If completed, please tell me.
Completed, sir.
Good, good. So I am leaving for today's class.